Good evening, my Diamond Art Peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. If you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, as always, thank you so much for your continuing support. This is going to be a really quick unboxing. I ordered my very first time ordering a diamond painting from Diamond Painting with Sparklers. I am so excited. I believe Diamond Painting with the Besties, Miranda, ordered this, or I saw her do an unboxing, I believe. So I just wanted to get on here and do a really quick unbagging or unboxing. So this has my address on it. Prepare to do a happy dance. It has little stickers, there's pretty things inside. So that's cute. Oh, wow. Oh, cool. My packing slip, which I'm probably showing my address. This is cute. I don't know if I can get this on my wrist. I want to break it. Oh, I love it. And a sticker. And then a card with their business card. Diamond Painting with Sparklers. Shine Bright with www.dpwithsparklers.com. Tina Timoff, Bernie, Bernie, I hope I'm not destroying your name, is the owner. Okay. Now, I got this not only because I wanted to support the small business owners, and I also got this because it is small, and as I have said in my other videos, that I have got some really big canvases, so I am really looking to do smaller canvases. So I am really excited about this. And this is a round. It's a butterfly. And it is a 22 by 22. Oh, wow. It's nice. The back is very nice and soft. It's almost like velvet. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. I can't wait to do this. I can't wait to do this. Look, you guys. How beautiful. How beautiful. Shine Bright with Diamond Painting with Sparklers. This has 24 colors. And this is a special canvas. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's beautiful. I probably am going to start on this pretty quick. Although, so much. Oh, this is beautiful, beautiful. And look at how clear that drill fill is. It is just amazing. And so this has DMC codes on it, 2 legends, one on each side. Here is the thumbnail. Hope it's not like making you dizzy. Oh, the numbers are huge. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Nice, great stick to it. Oh, this is so cool. And so the numbers, so like 1 looks like it is like a lime color, and then 2 is like purple, like almost a grape, and then here's a purple, and then a yellow, and then you have symbols, numbers, more symbols, and then numbers for the rest of it. Oh. So you get a toolkit here with a tray, some blue wax, and a pen. I'll probably keep out that. And then here are the drills. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. So excited. Oh, wow. So I told you 24 colors. Yes, 24 colors. So you have regular drills. It's kind of a dark green, and a blue, and kind of a fuchsia, a yellow. And this is black because it's a 310. And then here's the crystals. Oh, wow. This is kind of an orange color. Oh, look at these stars. And then the marquise. Oh, these are little slivers. This is 12. Nope. No, this is not 12 because 12 is a round one. But it says 12. I'm going to have to investigate, look closer. Here's a purple marquise. And then yellow. This is almost like the popcorn butter yellow. And then kind of yellow gold. And then here's a little bigger round. Six. Okay. And then pink, kind of a pale purple, a little bigger crystal, and then like a lavender. And I think this is like lavender and the crystals, and a little bigger, and then a blue. Okay. And more blue, and then a yellow, oh my god, green, a green in a crystal, and a green in a larger size crystal. Okay, so I am kind of confused because on number 6, it shows a red. Seven oh two. Maybe I should go this way. Okay, so 702. This, remember I said that it was like lime green. So that's what 702 is. And that's number 1. Oh, and it has, instead of number 1, it has the lime green right here. That's really neat. And then 797 is the grape, and that's throughout the butterflies' wings. Okay, so I want to look at this, because it says 12, but then it says 2. Okay. All right, I'm going to have to, okay, and then 12, which is over, okay, which is actually 8. Okay, all right, I'm not losing my mind. 8, which is on the butterfly wings right here. That's where those little slivers will go, right in there. So I want to see then where 6, which is YQO2. YQO2, which is here. Which is 6. So it doesn't have the numbers. It has the DMC numbers that's on the bag. So I'll have to be very careful about what I'm placing. So, which is 6 is like a red, but this to me kinda is like a pale, maybe maybe a red. I would say probably more of a pink, but that's what goes here. Okay. Okay, so that's really cool. Now, normally when I do any kind of canvas that has a special drills on it, I don't always kit them up. I just normally just work from the bags. But I probably will kit this one up because it has 24 colors. So instead of trying to work out of the bags, which I think would drive me crazy, I will kit this up. But okay, that is it, you guys. This is it. This is it. I am going to bed. I'm going to bed. I got both of these, this and my Temu package today, and I was just like, okay. I can't let this bag sit there without me going and looking at it. So, I am going to put the numbers on here, or for me. Really, I am. I'm going to open this up. Yes. There we go. So, DP with sparklers. All right, and I got this on the 20th, 23. All right. So tonight I'm going to put this on, even though I said 2 seconds ago that they fall off, but I will put them in another, I've been putting my stuff in Ziploc bags. So, all right. So that is it, you guys. If you enjoyed this, my rambling, if you could hit that like button, it really helps me, and I would really, really, really appreciate it. And if you would like to become a part of my little crazy struggle bus family, if you'll hit that subscription button and also hit that bell to be notified every time that I put out a new video, I would really appreciate you. You guys, thank you so much for supporting me and for watching my videos. So, remember to be kind to one another. Remember to stay cool and keep diamond painting. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.